Eddie here with Insane Hobbies and RCs. We had this just come in. It's the ZD Racing Pirate 2. It's the MT8 ready to run 1/8 scale 4x4 truck. Monster truck is what it is. And it's a standard ready to run kit here. I guess we got the manual. We did get a charger. The only thing it didn't come with is the adapter for the US plug. So if you do happen to get this, make sure you get one of them. Has a pretty decent radio. It's got all the steering trims and throttle trims, and looks like it has some dual rate there for your steering. So let's take a look at it. Let me get the shot of the way here. So what it is, it's comes with a 3000 milliamp 3S LiPo, and like I said, it has an 80 amp ESC. I think we're going to take it to the track and we're going to go see what it does. Let's take it to the track.